Welcome back, my dear students. Act 2, Scene 3. Just now I introduced about the characters which we will come across in this scene. And the scene is happening in a room in Shylock's house. Enter Jessica and Launcelot. Jessica. I am sorry thou wilt leave my father so. Our house is hell, and thou a merry devil. Really, I am feeling very bad for you, Launcelot, that you are leaving this house which is not less than a hell. And you were merry, means comedian. You were a comedian in a devil in this hell. This draw bit of some taste of tediousness. Yes, some fun will be reduced from the hell, means that house, and fare thee well. There is a ducat for thee. Yeah, please go from here. Though I'm feeling little bad for you, better you go from here. You'll be fine. And she gives a ducat. Ducat, some money she gives to him and tells Launcelot, soon at supper shalt thou see. At the time of supper in Bassanio's house, you will see a person, Lorenzo, who is the new master's guest. Your new master's guest is Lorenzo. Give him this letter, do it secretly. See, she hands over a letter, that is love letter, with one ducat. Okay. He becomes a postman for Jessica and Lorenzo to send her love informations. And so farewell, I would not have my father see me in talk with thee. I don't want my father Shylock to see you talking with me. He will be angry. Take this and go. Launcelot. Adieu. Tears exhibit my tongue. Tears in my eyes are stopping my words. Farewell. Adieu means farewell. Most beautiful Pagan. You are the most beautiful Jewess. Means a good lady. Most sweet Jew. If a Christian do not play the knave and get thee, I am much deceived. But adieu. These foolish drops do something drown my manly spirit. Adieu. He takes a farewell, means he tells goodbye to this Jewess, but while going he tells that you are a good person in this devil's house. I hope that that Christian, means Lorenzo, with whom you are in love, will not cheat you. I hope that he will not cheat you. Goodbye, because I can't stand here and my eyes are wet or dampened. I don't want to show my tears to you. Let me go away from here. My manly spirit, means sometimes my emotions may stop me from going, but let me go. He takes a farewell and goes away. Jessica, farewell, good Launcelot. Exit Launcelot. She tells a bye to him with a love letter. Alack! What heinous sin is it in me to be ashamed to be my father's child? But though I am a daughter to his blood, I am not to his manners. O Lorenzo, if thou keep promise, I shall end this strife, become a Christian, and thy loving wife. Here she tells that what a terrible sin it is to be a child of a Jew. Actually, Jessica was not at all happy to be a Jewess. She always wanted to be a Christian. And she wishes in herself, telling that, Lorenzo, keep your promise. Once you keep your promise and marry me, I will be your wife and convert myself to a Christian. It is such a bad and I am ashamed of myself to be a daughter of Jew. It is such a sin to be a Jew. She expresses her pain or hatredness towards her religion and also father. Children, this scene becomes a source for Shylock's hatredness against this Jessica and Lorenzo with this two against this Christians. Because Shylock's own daughter did not like his religion, where Shylock respected his religion the most. This is really a feeling of a daughter of Shylock we came to know. In next scene, again we will see what will happen in supper time and what all plans this Jessica has sent in the love letter. Okay, much is awaited in Jessica's and Lorenzo's life in this Act 2. Let us see in coming up scenes. Thank you.